We're gonna start this MakerBot right now. And we're waiting for our
Waiting for you to plug this in.
MC. We just pulled Bill Gates, but hopefully it won't crash as bad as Windows does usually. There we go. Okay. So what we see here is the display. Kind of says, "What's up? This is me, and I'm going to be your best friend for the next 6 months or more." I will see the wear and tear on this machine. Heard a lot of good things about it. They did well on the design. It's very simple, small, light, but it also looks pretty cool. So the plate right now, I guess, is leveling off. Let's check the status here. Tighten each of the 3 knobs under the platform. So underneath this guy here, we're going to have to adjust some knobs so that this plate right here is level. And once we do that, we can start the fun by printing something cool.